Hi there, in this video just want to give you a super fast idea to make very special with the 3D pen your Valentine's Day present. In my case, I'm going to give to my husband one copy of my first children book in Italian, but the real gift is that I prepare all the work for finally release the English version, so this one is my present, and of course this one is the real Oscar del Gat. And so basically I just use a simple piece of paper and I write the message and I draw a art that is the correspondent of my 3D pen project. So to do so, let's go ahead. First, let's just turn on the pen if it's not, and then start to draw your message. Write your messages if you like, and then start to draw your art. Isn't it cool that at the end the two are exactly refer to what you draw with your hand? And then you will take this transparent foil, put it here, and start to do the outline. Basically, we are already done. You can make it thicker, you can use a different technique inside. For example, you can fill it, or you can do this technique. And in the meanwhile, that this one is cooling down a little bit, you are going to test where is going to be the position. Oh, sorry, this one is still around me, bugging me. The position. Yes, I think it will work perfectly fine. So we will just connect the art here. I'm just doing the outline with you because I think this project is also so cool because it's super fast and let you save a lot of filament. As you can see, you are using very few filaments. So you will turn the art in the other side. You will put the clip here. You will keep a slow speed on your 3D pen. Oops. And then now we'll keep it in position until it cools down. You can start to check it also with your finger, don't burn your finger. The meanwhile that this one is cooling down, just put some color on your message. By the way, in the back I'm going to remind him that he needs to have a check on my final file before I submit it. So this one is one of the presents that my family use to call the boomerang present, like Madame does. But I think he will be happy that I finally prepared the English version. So basically we are done, but just to be sure, I suggest you to do it also in this side one more time. Just one more time, like this, very few, press it, and then our present is ready, and my husband will be able to use this art also as a bookmark later. Isn't it super easy? I hope this one is useful also for you. If you want more ideas or you want to explore more about what you can do with the 3D pen, check my YouTube channel. You might find other videos, or if you need to start from the basics of the pen, don't worry, I already have a skillshare class about it. You can check the link that I will try to put below this video, and you might have access for some time, like 1 month for free, to the whole platform of Skillshare if you are interested. So you can give it a try and let me know how it's going with your 3D pen project. Feel free to tag me if you like. Bye and happy Valentine's Day!